when I triple a certain number and add 2, I get the same answer as I do when I subtract the number from 50. So find the number. See here. Let the number is equal to x. Let the number is equal to x. What is given? What is given question? I am writing the given data. When I triple a number, tripling the number and add 2. Tripling the number and add 2. I get the same answer. This is equal to when I subtract the number from 50. Subtract the number from 50. This is the data. When I triple a number, tripling the number and adding 2, tripling the number and add 2, I get the same number when I subtract the number from 50. So read the question. This is the data. See here. X is the number. Tripling the number. Tripling means 3 times. Triple means 3 times. Triple 3 times. Double means 2 into. Triple means 3 into. So triple means 3 into x. Tripling the number and adding 2. Adding 2. Tripling the number and adding 2. So this is x. Triple it. Triple means 3 times of it and add 2. This is equal to what? Subtract the number from 50. Subtract that number from 50. So what is the number? X. So it is that x is subtracted from 50. So 50 minus x. This is the condition. Tripling the number. What is the number? X. Tripling means 3 times and add 2 is equal to subtract the number from 50. 50 minus that number. 50 minus x. Tripling the number and adding 2 is equal to subtract the number from 50. Subtraction means minus. So 50 minus x. That is the condition. That's it. Now onwards you can solve. There onwards it is simple. But getting that the condition is difficult. Tripling the number 3x, add 2, that is plus 2, is equal to subtract the number from 50. Subtract from 50. 50 minus x. See here. 3x minus x this side plus x. 50 plus 2 that side minus 2. So 3x plus x is 4x is equal to 48. 50 minus 2 48. X is equal to 48 by 4 is 4 12 times. So therefore the number is 12. This is the answer. So we are asked to find the number. Let us take the number as x. Tripling the number 3 times of it plus add 2 is equal to subtract the number from 50. So subtract x from 50. 50 minus x. Minus x this side plus x plus 2 that side minus 2. This is 48. This is 4x. 48 by 4 12. Right. Malkazgiri branch. Students, mention your branch name and any doubts or anything. If you are understanding or not understanding anything, you can mention. 5th is over. Now read the 6th question. All different. 6th question is different model. 7th question is different model. 8th question is different model. Like that. question from the textbook. Read the sixth one. Mary and her sister. See here. Mary and her sister. Both. Two persons are there. Mary is one person and her sister is the second person. Mary is twice older than her sister. Let the sister age be X. Sister age is X. Suppose sister age X means Mary age will be twice. Twice. Twice means 2X. Sister age we don't know, Mary age also we don't know. Let the sister age be X. What is the Mary age then? Mary is twice older than her sister. Twice means 2 times. Twice means 2 times. Thrice means 3 times. So 2 times of this age, that is 2X. Like this you take. Write down. Let Mary's sister age. Sister age is X. Then what is Mary age? Mary age is twice, double. 2X. Sister age X, Mary age 2X. Sister age is X, Mary age is double. Double means 2X. Read it. Mary is twice older than her sister. Twice means 2 times. Then, in 5 years time, after 5 years, these are the present ages. After 5 years, what happened? See, after 5 years, she will be, that means Mary will be 2 years older than her sister. After 5 years, Mary is 2 years older than her sister. See how to represent it. After 5 years means Mary age will be X plus 5. That sister age will be X plus 5, Mary age will be 2X plus 5. Because present ages are like this, means after 5 years their age will increase by 5. So this Mary age will be 2X plus 5, because presently if she is 10 years old, after 5 years she will become 15 years old. 5 years increase, because after 5 years, so Mary is 2 years older than her sister. So that means, see here, Mary age is 2X plus 5. Mary age is 2X plus 5. And her sister age will be X plus 5. Because both the ages increase by 5. Present ages are like this. This will increase by 5. This will also increase by 5. Because both after 5 years, both will become 5 years old. Presently X years. So X plus 5. Mary is 2X, 2X plus 5. So what is the given data? After 5 years what happened? After 5 years, Mary will be 2 years older than her sister. 2 years older than her sister. So how old are they? Both now. So write down that condition. Can you read it and apply here? You just think about it, how to apply that condition. You just think about it. Up to here you copy, once again read the question. Can you apply that condition here? You got idea? Mary age is this. Sister age is this. Mary is 2 years older than her sister. 2 years older. 2 years older means 2 years more. Suppose this is the age of her sister. If her sister age plus 2 will give the Mary age. Mary is 2 years more than her sister. Suppose sister age is 5. Then what will the Mary age? Plus 2. 2 years older. So Mary, suppose sister age is 5. Then Mary is 2 years older. 2 years more. 2 years greater. 2 years more means plus 2. Like that. So this is after 5 years the sister will become x plus 5. Mary will become 2x plus 5. But so it is given that Mary age is 2 years more than the sister age. Sister age is x plus 5. But 2 years if we add, that will give the Mary age. This is the condition. Two things I applied. One is after 5 years their ages will become sister age x plus 5, Mary age 2x plus 5. But it is given that Mary is 2 years more than her sister. So how to get the Mary age then? Add 2 to her sister age, then we will get the Mary age. That's all. So here onwards you know 2x plus x this side minus x is equal to 5 plus 2, 7 plus 5 that side minus 5. 2x minus x is x, 2x minus x is x, 7 minus 5 is 2. So sister age is x, sister age is 2, Mary age is 2 into 2, 4. So sister is 2 years old, Mary is 4 years old. That is the answer. So therefore, sister age x is equal to 2 years answer. Mary age. Mary is 2x. 2x means 2 into 2. 4 years. This is the process. So sister age is x. Mary age is twice it. Twice means 2x. After 5 years, sister will become x plus 5. Mary will become 2x plus 5. Because 5 years means we have to add 5 to both. So but in the after 5 years, what is happening? Mary is 2 years more. 2 years more means, suppose if she is 10 years, 2 years more means 10 plus 2, 12 years. Mary will be 12 years. 2 years more. That means if we add 2 to this age, we will get the Mary age. Because she is more than 2 years older than this. So 2x plus 5 and this is 2x is here. X is taken to the left side minus x. Plus x this side minus x. And plus 5 right side minus 5. Or I will write one more step in between like this. See here. I am opening the brackets. 2x plus 5 is equal to x plus 5 plus 2 is 7. So 2x plus x this side minus x. 7 plus 5 that side minus 5. 2x minus x is equal to 2. X is 2 and 2x means 2 into 2, 4. So sister is 2 years old. Mary is 4 years old. Once again read the question and understand, because as I said, little difficult problem, so lot of thinking is required, analysis is required. After understanding this, write down the next one. Seventh question, that is also difficult. Seventh question. question and understand. In 5 years time, Reshma will be 3 times old as she was 9 years ago. How old is she now? Reshma will be 3 times old as she was 9 years ago. How old is she now? Let Reshma present age. Say Reshma is X years. Present age is X. Then what is the condition? After 5 years, Reshma age will become what? Say here, present age is X. After 5 years plus 5. Suppose if present age is 10, after 5 years it will become 10 plus 5. Present age is 6. After 5 years, 6 plus 5, 11 years. So present age X means after 5 years, X plus 5. Only one person. Reshma, no other persons. Only one person. Present age, let us take it as X. So after, in a year, 5 years time, that means after 5 years. In a 5 years time, that means after 5 years, our age will increase by 5. That's all. X plus 5. Now what is the relation between these two? Read it. In 5 years time, Reshma will be, in 5 years time, after 5 years, this is the Reshma age. Reshma will be, see here, in 5 years time, Reshma will be 3 times means 3 into, see here, in 5 years time means, present age X means it will become X plus 5. This Reshma age is X plus 5. In 5 years, Reshma will be 3 times old as she was 9 years ago. 3 times of her 9 years ago age. Present age is X. 9 years ago means X minus 9. 9 years ago it is X minus 9. Present age is X plus 5. That means after 5 years age is 5x plus 5. 9 years back age is X minus 9. The relation is after 5 years the age is 3 times. Read the question. 3 times. 3 times means 3 into which age? 9 years back age. 9 years back age. X minus 9. This is the condition. Once again you read the question and first present age is X. After 5 years X plus 5. Before 9 years X minus 9. So after 5 years age is 3 times before 9 years age. After 5 years age is equal to 3 times before 9 years age. That is the condition. Now once again you read the question and understand. After that it is simple. See here. 3 into x, 3x minus 3 nines are 27. X minus 3x is equal to minus 27 plus 5, that side minus 5. Minus 2x is equal to minus 32. Minus minus cancel. 32 by 2 is equal to 16. So Reshma present age. We got the answer. That's all. Once again you go through it. Read the question and see the steps. Understand and once again you do it. Then the last problem. Why it is x plus 5, why it is x minus 9, that you will see. 5 years, after 5 years it will become x plus 5 and 9 years ago means 9 years back, subtraction. Read the 8th question, read it 2 times, you read it. Read the 2 times. This is also a very difficult problem actually. So percentages, increase and decrease. So lot many concepts are applied. So you will see here, town population increased by 1200 people, then the new population decreased by 11%. The town now had 32 less people than it did before 1200 increase. Find the original population. Let the town population is equal to x. Write down. Let the town population is equal to x. Population increased by 1200. It increased by 1200. Then the population will become, first it is x, increased by 1200 means 1200 more people are added. Original population was x, 1200 added, increased by 1200 people. First it was x, then 1200 people are added. Town population increased by 1200 people. So this is the original, this is increased. After increasing, After 1200 people are added to the town people, so it became x plus 1200. Now what happens? This new population, new population. This new population decreased by 11%. Now it is decreased by 11%. These percentage problems are difficult. So you have to remember the concept, percentage problems concepts in lower classes. Population decreased by 11%. The new population is decreased by 11%. 11% decreased. %11 decrease. After decreasing the 11%, 11% decrease means, so remaining population, see percentage is calculated for 100. So 11% decrease means 89, remaining is 89. 89% remains. Like this also we can take. See, percentage will be calculated for 100. If 11% reduced means, so remaining will be 89 because 100 minus 11 is 89. 89% remains. So now the population, 3 stages. First it was X. Then increased by 1200. X is increased to X plus 1200. Again third time it decreased by 11%. Decreased by 11% means this X plus 1200 decreased by 11% means now it is having only 89%. So 89%, this now present this is not the population. It decreased by 11% means presently it is only 89%. So 89%. First stage X, second stage 1200 increase, third stage 11% decrease means only 89% remains. 89% remains. So X plus 1200, in that only 89%. So percentage means we write like this. Percentage means we write by 100. 89 by 100. So this is the third stage. First stage after 1200 increase, second stage 11% decrease. 11% decrease means now we have only 89%. So out of this, presently we have only 89% of population. So 89 by 100. Percentage means 100. So 11 decreased means 89 will remain because 100 calculation will be for 100. So this is the present population. So what is the given relation? Given relation. Now final step. This is the present population. Present population is equal to 32 less than it did before this. So first time it was X. So 32 less than this. That means if we subtract 32 from this first population, we will get. That is the question. First stage, second stage 1200 increase, third stage only in this 11% decreased, 89% only remains. So 89% means by 100. This is the present population, but present population is equal to original population minus 32. 32 less than the original population. Less means minus. See here, the town had now 32 less than the people when it was before increase. So X minus 32. That's all. Now simplification. So write these steps and after that I will simplify. I will take 100 to the right side 100 division means it will become multiplication. We have to simplify to find x value. I will simplify it. First, still these three steps you have to understand. Why? First, x means no confusion, because whenever unknown value we take x. Town population is taken as x. 1200 increase means x plus 1200. So 11% decrease, only 89% is there. So 89% is there means in this 89, this of 89, of means into. So percentage means by 100 we have to write. So this is the present town population, but this present town population is 32 less than the starting population, starting x. So that minus 32 is equal to present population. That's all. Do it. 89 into x, 89x. Write down. This into 12. Multiply 1200 into 89. All x terms, 89x minus 100x. X cancel. That is minus minus cancel. X is equal to 11 4 zeros by this 11 will be in the denominator. 11 cancel, so 10,000 is the answer. Denominator means it will become into 100 into x minus 32. 100 into x, 100x, 100 into 32, 3200. 89 into x, 89x, 89 into 1200, this much. So 89x, 100 this side minus 100x plus this side minus. So minus minus same. So 3200 plus this is 11,0,0,0. You add these two because same signs. 89 minus 100 is minus 11. So minus minus cancel. 11 will be in the denominator. 11 cancel. One time. 1,0,0,0,0. 10,000 population. So with this exercise is over. You once again practice these problems. Now go to the last exercise. Open the textbooks. 56 page number. That is the last exercise. And many problems are there in that. 12 plus 13, 25 questions. Exercise 2.5, first question, of course, no theory, no concept, only solving the equation. That type of problems will be easy only. When theoretical question is given, we have to form this type of equations with all different concepts. So this is difficult, but remaining it is not a theoretical, only problematic, only direct step is given. It is very easy to solve. So you know how to solve the equation. We were doing it from the beginning. So from the first chapter, first exercise onwards, we are solving this type of problems. We have to find n values. So take all the remaining terms to the right side. Keep only n on the left side. Take everything to the right side. So you can take this to the right side directly or take the LCM first. 7 5 is 35 LCM. 5 7 times 7n. See here, 5 7 is 35 LCM. 5 7 times 7 into n, 7n. Minus 7 5 times 5 5 is 25. Like this. 7 5 7 is 35. 5 how many times? 7 times. 7 into n, 7n. 7 how many times? 5 times. 5 5 is 25. Is equal to 2 by 3. Cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. See here, when two fractions are equal, we can cross multiply. See here, how to cross multiply? 3 into 7n minus 25. Don't write, see here. Cross multiplication means 3 into 7n minus 5 is equal to this into this. 35 into 2. This is called cross multiplication. 3 into 7n minus 25 is equal to 35 into 2. That's all. Now, 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21. 3 into 25 you multiply, it is 75. 35 into 2, 70. So 21n is equal to 70 minus 25, that minus 75 that side, plus 75. So 21n is equal to 75 plus 70 is 145. Right on. Do the simplification. 5 7 the 35 LCM. 5 7 times 7 into n, 7n. 7 5 times 5 into 5, 25. 2 by 3. 3 into this cross multiplication, this denominator into this numerator. 3 into 7n minus 25. 35 into 2. 35 2 is 70. 3 7 is 21n. 3 into 25 is minus 75. This is minus. Minus 75 that side, plus 75. 70 plus 75 is 145. Here it is multiplication. Into means it will become divide. 145 by, it will be division. 21. So no cancellation. This is the answer. That's all. So same way you can complete all the bits, same model. Again from second problem onwards, again theory questions. Anyway, this topic only difficult. Remaining chapters are easy only. Only the second topic, only the theoretical questions are difficult. Remaining chapters are not this much difficult. See, most of the chapters there will be only one formula for all the problems. But in this theory questions, different problems, percentage problem, area problem, increasing, decreasing, ratio, ages, like the different concepts are given. Just you go through it and practice a number of times, then only you can remember. Otherwise, no, you can't remember anything. Practice it and read and understand the question and do it more number of times without seeing. And for the tomorrow same time, we have class. Day after tomorrow, exam. So for exam, you have to prepare. And these 4 and 1, 5 questions today I explained. Without seeing, just practice. Okay, students. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Tomorrow at the same time.